the champion for 2026 Zim UK Cupclash to represent the trophy. I'm gonna bring in the promoter, King Alfred. Step near. Now please. Thank you. Hold on. Hello. Now we begin like Hanif, where are you? Hanif, come here. Van, can you come here, please? Lassie, come here, please. Wait. I was watching, thank you. Hanif, hold on. Hello, guys. Hanif, I want you to ask again right now who won this one, then we just finish. Thank you. Wait. We're gonna count hands again. Wait, don't do that. Please. By show of hands, all who say immortal, best of both worlds. Somebody there, run on. Keep them up. I'm gonna count the hands. Are you watching? Count the hands. Take them down. All who say immortal movement, God for the Templeman, understand? Fair and square. Okay. The winner. You all know already who won because they're working together to make a crush possible tonight. So, the winner for 2026 Zim UK Cupclash is the... What do you call it? Where's the trophy? Somebody say best of both worlds! Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on, come here, please. Come here, These are sound clash. Can you come here, honey? And also come here, please. It's simple, yes. So, according to the points, how many points does Templeman have? 5-2. So, okay, thank you. Right, hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me explain. These are the points. There are rules. Right? Where are you? Don't move it, please. Can you come here, please? Come here. I don't think we even need to announce the points. Everyone was saying it's 5-2. Simple. So the winner for tonight is Paris of the Boss World according to the points. Right? So according to the point is a point system. This is not something like a balance thing. It's 5-2. It's something who was voting, you were voting. You have to be fair enough. Thank you so much for me. Hold on. This is a point system. So tonight, hold on, guys. It's a point system, please. So we're gonna head over to